Alright, so as y'all probably saw on the thumbnail was the pin in the drill press. And y'all might be wondering what I was doing with that. And going to show y'all something very helpful if you just got your drill press, or if you've had one for a while. This could really help you out. Before we start, I want to remind y'all to subscribe. I'm almost at 100 subscribers, which 100 subscribers was my goal for this year. If I reach that goal, that would be awesome. So make sure y'all go and hit that subscribe button. And also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So as y'all saw, I had the pin in the drill press, and the reason I did that was I'm going to be lining up the lasers. So whenever I drill, it will be accurate and I can know where I'm drilling. So what you're going to need to do this is a pin. I've just got a Papermate pin. Full focus. No, you just need something that's round, that is the same shape, that can fit in the drill press chuck good without being uneven. So a pin like this is going to really work out the best. And then going to need a board. You're going to need a piece of paper. Then you're going to tape the paper down. So we'll do that real quick. Alright, so now that we've got the paper taped on the board, we'll put the pin in the drill press, and then we'll set everything up to line up the lasers. You're probably only going to want to do this maybe as tight as you can get by hand. You won't want it too tight, but you don't want it too loose so it won't fall out. Alright, so now we're going to turn the drill press on. Slowly go down. It will shake a little bit, but you get until it's still, push down just a little bit, and then you come back up, turn it off, and you can kind of see the dot right there. Now, going to get your laser. As you can see, it's very off, so going to line it up. Alright, the lasers are lined up and drill press is ready to drill some accurate holes. So I hope this video helped y'all out, because it definitely helped me out. Now I can drill some accurate holes without having to wonder where the drill bit is going to drill into the material. And so yeah, like I said earlier in the video, subscribe. You do not want to miss out on the videos on my channel. And I do videos about every Tuesday and every Friday. So pause the video, hit the subscribe button. After you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button and comment, and have a nice day.